Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Atomic Wallet's account's password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To change your Atomic Wallet's account's password, click Open your application first. Log into your account if necessary. Once you're in, from the left-hand side menu, click on the Settings option. Now, go to the Security tab at the top of the screen. Type in your old password in the first text field that says Old Password. Once you type in the password, you can double-check your password if it's correct. If it is not, you won't be able to change your password. So make sure to type it in correct and move on to the next field and type in the new password you would want to change to. Type in the password one more time in the next field and finally click on Change Password. Before clicking on Change Password, make sure both of the passwords in the new password box and the repeat new password box matches. Once it does, click on Change Password and your password has been changed successfully. That way, you can easily change your password and make your account more secure on Atomic Wallet. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.